What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And this morning, we're getting ready. We're about to link up with the lineup. I'm still here in Georgia. We're going to the ZNationals event today. So I'm gonna go link up with them. It's about an hour and a half to link up with the squad, and the show is like right next to where they're at, so won't be too much driving there. We'll probably grab something to eat first, and then we'll head over there because it is still pretty early, as you can see and hear. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a quick cold start and get the day started. Alright, so we're at the first spot, linking up. This is the side with all the Z's, as you can see in here. Excuse me. So not just the lineup, we have some others as well. Some people from Georgia as well. Alright, so let's go look at this bumper.
Hey, man, had to untape it yesterday.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Pretty clean.
Thank you.
Alright. Just gotta ride over to the cars from the other cars. Oh yeah, also I got the full carbon bumper too. The rear bumper. There you go. Had to get it on video. What's up? What's up, man? What up? Alright, so Danny showed up. So we are good. I'm about to roll out in a little bit. Alright, so we are lined up. It's still about an hour till showtime, so we ain't gonna be moving anytime soon.
Yeah, good chance all these people are at church.
Let's see. Some last minute touch-ups.
You know what was even more funny? There's one of those you knew was gonna happen.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Alright. Very clean. I love the color. This too. Okay. This is one of my favorites. I feel like I see this online all the time, but this one really caught my eye when we was driving by. Sheesh. These wheels. Work wheels. You good? How are you? Get a couple coming in. Head back to the car. Alright, I guess since we are in, I can start going and getting some more cars. Let's go this way. Yeah. They got the sedans on the back row. Let me know which car is your favorite. Hello. The homie Marcus here. Work wheels. Those are dope too. Got that Nissan President over there.
I rolled back a little bit. I don't know if you want me to roll back in more. Yeah, I saw how it
They gotta get their own row spotlight.
Fancy boys.
We'll get the 370s here. They got 2 rows. That color. It did sound good too, by the way.
That's why I got off. I got
It's my favorite. Love that 350. Just perfect. I like this one too. I don't know what it is. That 350. This is clean too. And the lineup, Q60s. Clean, got the cage in there. Almost back. That color. All right, so this is pretty much the end of the event.
I can already see it.
But yeah, we lined up at the end. Like I said, definitely let me know what car was your favorite from the event. And guess who took home third place? A great job. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. But before we end it, we're gonna do the comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to. And if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. And who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.